Welcome to today's daily meditation. Started working at 6:30 a.m. Did not stop till 4. I was literally sitting down all day at my desk working. I did not eat my lunch like I normally do. I got to make my smoothie, but it was only a 5-minute break. I was on forecast calls, pipeline calls, multiple monthly business reviews. I was going over lead flow, everything. I am so tired mentally, physically. I needed to come here, enjoy the ocean. Yes, it's a little gray today, but this is my release. Whatever your release is, go do it. I come here, I listen to the sound of the ocean, I relax, I chill. Whatever your release is. Maybe you live by a forest, maybe you go to your backyard, maybe you put a video on the YouTube, go watch my videos of the ocean in the sunset when it's much more beautiful. Whatever you do, release. Let yourself go, enjoy the moment, and relax. You deserve to give time back to you. It's good for you mentally, and it's good for you physically. Why physically? You won't feel stressed, you won't be as tight in your body, your shoulders won't hurt, your back won't hurt. Just chill, just relax, enjoy life, have fun with life, and you will feel better when you're not stressed physically. You'll work better throughout your day. People will enjoy being around you. You won't be grumpy, you won't be cranky, things like that. You'll enjoy it. Why mentally? Oh, so many reasons. One, you'll be able to concentrate so much more when you are just mentally there. When you're mentally there, you'll be more engaged in your conversations. You won't be having this stuff going on in the back of your head, and you'll feel better. Two, you'll be able to sleep better. You won't go to bed at night feeling like there's stuff in the back of your head. It won't be stressing you out. It'll make you feel better. You'll be able to fall asleep easier. You won't be restless in your sleep. So you'll be able to concentrate better. You'll be able to sleep better. And lastly, you'll just be a more happy person. People will want to be around you. They won't feel like you're not there, you're disengaged. They'll be able to tell that, hey, something's going on. And it's really important for you to get rid of the stress. As I said, I come to the beach, I watch the sunset, I enjoy it. You can find your own path. If that's listening to music, if that's watching a TV show, whatever you do, enjoy it. Make sure you're not stressed out. It's very important to not be stressed. I'll give you some techniques. Let's do a mini meditation right here. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And just do that. Do that 10 times and you'll feel better. You actually feel better from doing that. You center yourself, you calm yourself down, focus on your breath. Now try doing that for 1 minute. After 1 minute, go for 5 minutes. Go for 10 minutes. If your brain wanders, if your mind wanders, it's okay. It's natural for your mind to wander. Just bring it back. Whatever you're thinking about, if it seems really cool, let it go though. Like, enjoy it. See where your mind wanders to. Always come back to that breath in. It's very important for you to focus on your breath, you to focus on your personal health. Your mental health is extremely important. When you're mentally healthy, you're going to live your life to the fullest, you're going to feel better. You're not going to have all this stuff going on. It's really, really important for you to mentally be there and feel in your own body. Stuff's going to happen in your life. It's going to stress you out. It happens to everybody. But how you deal with it is key. Come to the beach, go to your natural place, go to your one being, and enjoy. If you want to hear more, go to our podcast episodes around meditation, health, wellness. Go to the channel here as well. Watch videos, there's more. This is the Leap of Faith. This is our moment of gratitude to you. Thank you for listening. Enjoy, stay healthy, stay safe. Of course, wear your mask.